Yo, what's up? Quick update on the Miata. Pearl is now fully boosted. She's running 12 to 15 PSI through her completely stock engine with ARP headsets. It's wonderfully exciting and terrifying at the same time. In the meantime, I've been lucky enough to partner with BC Racing. So she is running their DS series coilovers right now, and I'm gonna talk about how that feels with boost. DS series come with digressive valving, which is supposed to handle low speed compression better. Install was straightforward. If you've done suspension on a Miata before, it's pretty chill.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here.
I actually emailed BC Racing about my specific driving style, surfaces I'm going to be driving on, and what I want my suspension to handle the best. They suggested DS series for me. Driving wise, I was super impressed, especially under boost mid-corner. They handle super flat.
There's a way that this handles these curves that's really confidence inspiring.
Overall, super happy with them. If you're boosted or you're just looking for something that won't break your spine, take a look at the DS series. All right, I'm gonna get back to testing and tuning. I just hope she doesn't explode. You know, if she does, I'll just build her again. I've done that before. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Cody. Talk soon.